One group of lymph nodes we'll talk about divided into 1A and 1B. 1A is present between the anterior bellies of digastric. 1B is present between the anterior and posterior belly of digastric. This is 1A is known as submental, 1B is known as submandibular because submandibular gland lies here. Now let us talk about 2. So 2 is present from the base of the skull to the lower border of hyoid bone, if you can see. So from the base of the skull to the lower border of hyoid bone. And 3 is present from the lower border of hyoid bone to the lower border of cricoid cartilage. 4 is present from the lower border of cricoid cartilage till the clavicle. So 2, 3 and 4 all lie in the same line behind the sternocleidomastoid along the internal jugular vein. Now 2 is divided into 2A and 2B by spinal accessory nerve. So spinal accessory nerve which supplies the trapezius. So 2A lies anterior to spinal accessory, 2B lies posterior to spinal accessory. Group number 2 is also known as jugulo-digastric. 3 is also known as jugulo-omohyoid and fourth group of lymph node. Remember, group number 5 lies and is bounded anteriorly by sternocleidomastoid, posteriorly by trapezius, and inferiorly by clavicle. It is also divided into 5A and 5B by omohyoid muscle. So this muscle is omohyoid, which divides it into 5A and 5B. Remember, 5A is posterior triangle, so it drains the posterior triangle group of lymph node structures. Now, group number 6, which is also known as the anterior or the central compartment lymph nodes. It drains the central compartment, so which includes trachea and the parts of larynx, along with the thyroid cartilage. So pretracheal, paratracheal, prelaryngeal. Prelaryngeal is also known as the Delphian group of lymph nodes, which drain all of these. So remember, any malignancy associated with thyroid or larynx would be affecting group number 6. So we need to remove group number 6 lymph nodes in these cancers. Group number 7 is also known as upper mediastinal.